Here's Michelle and here's me, Cupcake.
We are so excited to have you joining us today on Sweetwater Cakes, and today we are going to make
Chick-a-dees.
Chick-a-dee cupcakes! Woo! These are special cupcakes because you not only get one cupcake, you get two! You get a big cupcake and a little baby cupcake, right? So, what are the things we're going to need?
Frosting, cupcakes,
And sprinkles! So let's get started and sweeten the world. Oh yeah, sweeten the world, sweeten the world, sweeten the world. So the first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of Sweetwater, which is actually just sugar water. Can you spray your cupcake? Woo! And the little guy. Now we're going to make little tiny stars.
Tiny, tiny.
So we'll start with the big cupcake. Little tiny stars all over. But chicks don't really have stars. What do they have? What does chicks have?
Fur, yellow fur.
Fur?
They do have fur. That's to keep them warm.
I thought they had feathers.
They're feathers.
Oh, chicks have feathers. Okay, can you... Okay, now we're going to do the little cupcakes. Little cupcakes. Okay, I'll do mine and you do yours. Little cupcakes. Doo, 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 doo.
They look yummy, right?
They do. Now we're going to put on little tiny eyes, and you can do eyelashes. We're just using itty bitty black sprinkles. And we're going to do it just on the little guy. Does yours have eyelashes? So cute. I'm going to give mine little eyebrows. Okay, now we're going to add the little beak. Squeak, squeak. Add a beak.
Vicky.
Okay, now here's
There's a boy and mine's a girl.
Yeah, so we're just going to stick it on. Ready? And stick. He's so cute. Okay, ready? Here, I'll hold it up for you. Ready? And stick. So adorable. Look at these cute little chicks.
Mine.
All right, what do you think? Cute little cupcakes.
Chick-a-dee.
Chick-a-dee. So if you were to eat this cupcake, would you eat the head first or the body first?
Head.
The head? You'd eat the head first? Maybe would you go one big bite?
No. Take the wrapper off.
Oh, yeah, just take the wrapper off.
You have to take the cupcake off, then take the wrapper off, and then put it back on. And take this wrapper off, and then put it back on.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely try this technique out. It is so much fun. And
Get some grass.
and don't worry if your cupcake...
It's real grass.
Don't worry if your cupcake doesn't look exactly like mine or like little cupcakes. Just have fun. That's the most important thing.
To have fun.
Oh yeah, you click that subscribe button down below. Join us for many more fun cupcakes with kids. Have a beautiful day and sweeten the world. Bye-bye.